Hello, good morning, TMP 45, TMP 46, and CCMT members. In this video, I'm going to have a quick commodity lookout for you all to understand or help you understand what kind of trade I'm thinking about. First of all, I'll start with the aluminium one. We'll look at Nifty later on, but aluminium I can note that it is clearly bearish, and I'm thinking about on the bearish side trades. It is not difficult to understand what kind of trade it will be. Buy breakdown after sell resistance we are getting, buy breakdown, not extremely sell breakdown. Sell breakdown we had a sell resistance opportunity. So aluminium last video में भी हम लोग बात किए थे कि I'm more bearish. So aluminium bearish side ही सोच पा रहे हैं. Beautiful move. Stop losses are clear. The tightest stop loss will be somewhere here. The last Dow kind of breakdown are preferable for now until we get a better Dow structure. And of course, with the idea of profitable trade, as I said, 1% will move into break even. So even if it bounce back, we are not making loss on the sell resistance trade. But what we can happen right now is a sell breakdown trade. We are also looking at copper, where the similar move आप witness कर सकते हो. Copper is breaking down, but we have be careful that there can be bounce back. So sell resistance trade के बाद sell breakdown आ रहा. Next is zinc. Breakdown पहले ही से ही चल रहा है. Beautiful. Zinc is more weaker than other aluminium, so significant drawdown is going on in zinc. This is one thing. One is positive for the overall level of interest rates. Interest rates and inflation के लिए अच्छा है. But overall interest rate में एक चीज आप लोगों को, I'm deviating a bit commodity, I'll come to gold. I hope आप लोग note कर चुके हैं the significant jump, almost 50 basis points jump in the interest rates. Because now it is expected that China will be less of a buyer of US treasuries, and that may create supply demand situation, so interest rates pushing higher. And of course, China could be offloading the treasuries as well, so that is concerning. So interest rates significantly pushing higher, the long-term interest rates. Short-term interest rates cannot go much higher because it is linked very much to the central bank. The shorter you go, the less impact you see. But longer-term interest rate, it is clear. Even though by inflation-wise it was going down and I was positive, the current geopolitics is pushing it higher. This is a major concern for add-on concern for companies as well. Also, there will be a demand for the dollar because of the tariffs they have to pay. Now let's get back to the commodity discussion जो हम लोग का चल रहा था. So bearish ही सोच पा रहे, which is in line with the fundamental that China gold is trying to do a buy support. In daily chart, we are getting a buy support opportunity in gold, but that will of course closing. तो आज time और बीतने देंगे because if we are operating in the daily, but हम लोग फाइन ट्यून कर सकते हैं. फाइन ट्यून में देखिए अच्छा कोई डाउ स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. So even though gold is looking like a bounce back, we don't have a good buy. इससे नीचे के टाइम फ्रेम में मैं नहीं जाऊंगा because I'll prefer to operate in the daily 125. Otherwise टाइम में इसमें लॉस्ट हो सकते हैं. So now here we are, a gold can bounce back. Waiting patiently or firing a minimal quantity will be okay. firing the full quantity at this. We have a rather better structure here in India, the Dow structure. But this is our daily buy support opportunity that could be coming. Next is silver. We want to take a look at silver. Had a sharp fall, being difficult to being bullish on silver. It is absolutely in range. Rather, I'm bullish on gold in the bounce back than silver. मैं क्लास में डिस्कस कर चुका हूं कि सिल्वर इज डिफरेंट दैन गोल्ड. ब्यूटिफुल मूव मिला है फॉर फर्दर डिप इन द क्रूड ऑयल. ब्यूटिफुल डिप. यहाँ पे गैप डाउन मिला है, बट दिस मूव वाज इज बेसिकली अ कंटिन्यूएशन. इंडिया पहले क्लोज हो जाता है. क्रूड रिमेन्स वेरी वेरी बियरिश because of the global recession is bearish for crude. China slowdown is bearish for crude, and the tariff is also bearish for crude. So overall crude fundamental has deteriorated and it is crashing down lower. Then we have natural gas, which changed its trajectory, continuing lower. I remain bearish now, taking factorial weightage steadily down. बट अब एक करेक्शन आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं इन नेचुरल गैस. NG1 कि आफ्टर अ ड्रॉप अ करेक्शन, देन ऐसे ही मार्केट मूवमेंट हुआ है. देखिए, अ बाउंस बैक, देन अ ड्रॉप. So overall commodity complex remains bearish. Only gold is showing some strength, but that is too early, too immature to decide. Yeah, gold is superbly coming back, but yes, gold can give out a buy support opportunity by tonight. So I will keep that one in check for sure. I remain bearish on aluminium, zinc, copper, crude, natural gas, silver as well. Whereas gold, I'm in a more wait and watch mode in the daily chart. So that's all, friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best to all of you from my side. And as all the time, happy trading.